In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block members from reading chat history on Discord. This is especially useful if you're a server administrator or moderator looking to maintain privacy and control over your server's content. Whether you want to restrict new members from seeing old messages or just want to keep certain information confidential, this guide is for you. Let's kick things off by heading over to Discord. You can either open the Discord app on your device or navigate to Discord's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account to make the necessary adjustments. To log in, you'll first enter your email associated with your Discord account. Make sure you input the email correctly to avoid any issues accessing your account. After entering your email, the next step will require you to input your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as you set it up. Following the entry of your password, look for the login button. Clicking on this will give you access to your Discord home screen, where all your activity within the platform begins. If you've successfully logged in, you should now see all your available servers, direct messages, and notifications. Now that you're on the Discord homepage, it's time to find and click on the server where you want to block members from reading the chat history. Servers are typically listed on the left side of the Discord interface. Scroll through your list and click on the server you're focusing on today. Upon entering your selected server, move your cursor to the server name at the top of the channel list to reveal a drop-down menu. Look for the server settings option and click on it. This action will take you to the administrative backend of your server where you can make numerous changes. Next, you'll need to navigate to a specific channel settings where you want to restrict the chat history. By hovering over the channel name, an edit button or a gear icon should appear. Click on this edit channel option to proceed to the channel settings. Inside the channel settings, seek out the permissions tab. This area is crucial because it lets you control what members can and cannot do within this specific channel. As you're in the permissions section, you're looking to adjust one particular setting. Read message history. This permission allows users to scroll through past messages. To block members from reading the chat history, you'll need to disable this setting. Locate the read message history permission and toggle it to disable or turn it off. This action will immediately restrict users from viewing messages that were sent before they joined the channel or while they are not in the channel. Keep in mind, effective moderation means frequently revisiting these settings. Community dynamics change, and you may find yourself needing to adjust permissions over time. Remember, these changes only affect the channel you're editing. If you wish to implement similar restrictions in other channels, you'll need to repeat the process for each one. Some additional tips to consider while managing your server: communication with your server members about changes in permissions or settings can help maintain a healthy community environment. Transparency builds trust, and trust is invaluable in any community, especially online. Also, always keep an eye on Discord updates. The platform regularly rolls out new features and adjustments to existing ones, which could mean new ways to manage your server or changes to current processes. Before wrapping up, let's recap the simple steps to block members from reading chat history on Discord. Log into Discord, navigate to your server, enter server settings, select the channel to edit, go to permissions, and disable read message history. This will help you maintain privacy and manage what new and existing members can see in terms of past messages. Remember, each community and server on Discord is unique, so tailor these settings to best suit your server's needs. Experiment with different configurations and engage with your community members to find the best balance between privacy and transparency. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. By following these detailed instructions, you've learned how to effectively block members from reading chat history on Discord, an essential skill for any server administrator or moderator looking to maintain a certain level of privacy and control within their communities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy moderating.